Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Huawei Innovative Product Launch, a special occasion celebrating Huawei's unwavering commitment to innovation. Today, we are taking fashion to new heights.
The all-new Huawei Free Clip in beige and Huawei Watch GT4 in bird green color. Leading the trend with round smartwatch design, we are delighted to bring the new square Huawei Watch Fit 3 Fashion Squared. Huawei Watch Fit 3 comes with ultra-large 1.82-inch AMOLED display, professional sport and health management, while weighing only 26 grams with 9.9 millimeters thickness. A fashionable lifestyle is on your wrist. And also, we're introducing Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition and the all-new Huawei FreeBuds 6i with intelligent dynamic ANC, punchy base, and 35 hours long battery life.
We are excited to launch our new powerful and easy-to-use painting app, GoPaint. It is authentic, smart, simple, and professional. No matter you are creating vector-like illustration or watercolor painting, GoPaint is the perfect creative companion.
The new Huawei MatePad 11.5S is equipped with an all-new paper matte technology. With industry-leading eye comfort and the most advanced paper-like writing experience.
And now we are introducing the brand new Huawei MateBook 14 with 2.8K OLED touch control screen. And also, we are delighted to introduce the Huawei MateBook X Pro, the only laptop under 1 kilogram, equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 9 high-performance processor. Lighter than air, stronger than pro. Huawei MateBook X Pro, creation of beauty.
Let's move forward with fashion and creation.